Okay, someone asked me about file size on umaps. We can alter the file size by reducing the light mappings in a level. This can be done on a static mesh and BSP. Select any static mesh, right click it and open its properties. You can see its light map resolution. Standard is 64. So if you have a file size of 120 meg or 120 kilobyte, whatever, we can reduce it by lowering the light map resolution. To do this, you have to click override the light map resolution and then just change the number to 32. And that's instant, that's done. Now, if you want to select multiple things, you can select everything in a level. We can right click a static mesh, go to select, select all static mesh actors. Now, if you look, I've actually placed this actor in the level just to show you something. This is a light that's in the editor. It's not just a static mesh, it's a combination of other things. This you cannot change the light resolution on. So we have to hold Control and then left click this object to deselect it. Once deselected, you can carry on altering the light map resolution for everything else. .32 again. Now I'll quickly see what the size of this map is. It's only a test map, so it's going to be small anyway. So the file size is 4116 kilobyte. So what we'll do now is we'll click save. Then we're going to do a quick lighting build, only on preview. Click OK. Now if you look, it still looks the same. The only thing you'll find is some static mesh might not look so nice in shaded areas or dark areas. You've got to check this after you do your lighting build. If it doesn't look very nice, you can always right click the mesh, open its properties and change that one back to untick the override and type back in 64. Then do the light build again and that will go back to normal. I obviously didn't do the light build before. Anyway, if you've got a 120 kilobyte map and you do this procedure, you should knock 40 off, maybe even more. And then once you publish it, it gets compressed anyway. But this is how I optimize all my maps, through this way. Now, a guy asked me earlier, a lot of my maps are a very small file. That's because I don't use static mesh to build the buildings. I use a BSP builder brush, which is here. Left click that. I have a cube. Now all I do with this cube is I can find materials and place them on it. I can select a material and I can go to brush, add, and I've got an instant wall, whatever size I want. And I can grab this builder brush, I can alter the size. If I select brush, subtract, you can cut a hole straight through it. You could also change the surface properties. Mine by default now I think is on 32 light map resolution, so when I build a map it's as low as I can get it to start with. That's it basically. Make sure you check all round your map after you've changed light map resolution and done your lighting build. If anything looks wrong, switch that one item back to 64 instead of 32 and rebuild the lighting.